Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. I am so excited about this video. I had another company reach out to me, Dan with TesBox, and he told me about this amazing idea that this company has. They are just starting out. Basically, you've heard of things like BarkBox and those exercise box things, and these boxes where you get treats from around the world. Stitch Fix, where, you know, they have clothes that don't fit. I haven't used those other things, but I love the idea of them. As adults, we don't get surprises anymore, and it can get really boring. This box, every single month, no matter what is in it, I'm pretty sure I'm going to love everything in there. I am constantly on the internet looking for accessories for this car. Do I need accessories? No, the car is perfect without them, aside from it needing floor mats. But I love buying things for this car. It's my hobby. It's what I love. It's something that I'm not going to grow out of. I think this idea is just freaking awesome, because if you own a Tesla, or even if you're just a Tesla enthusiast, this is for you. Because otherwise you're just going to be buying everything individually, and the amount of things that there are available is just so overwhelming. I spoke to Dan at TesBox, and he said they buy all of the products wholesale, companies like customaerowheels.com, and I looked at some of the things that they have advertised to put in these boxes, like LED lights for the car. Another one is a sun visor that I've been wanting, and we have summer coming, so I've really been wanting that, but I just haven't purchased it. The first box that you get will be kind of like an introductory box, and if you purchase it right now during March, this is their first opening month for the company. So you'll get a founder's box, like this should be right here. And then all of the boxes after that you purchase are individual boxes for you. You can check off which model Teslas you like. You know, for example, I own a Model 3, and I just reserved a Cybertruck. Woo! So I'm going to check off Model 3 and Cybertruck. So they'll send me things in the box that are custom to me for Tesla Model 3 and for Cybertruck. I won't get things for Model Y or Model X or Model S. You can check off whatever boxes you like, and they also have boxes for just Tesla enthusiasts. So they're not going to send you products that have to be used in a Tesla if you're just an enthusiast. They'll send you things like t-shirts, masks, posters for your wall, things like that. Other things that you can use even though you don't actually own a Tesla, which I think is great, because there's so many people I talk to and they're so excited of the idea of one day owning a Tesla, but they just can't get one right now, and I completely understand that. And so I think that that's awesome that they thought of those people too. Right now the boxes are $35 a month, and whenever you start your subscription, you're locked into that price. After the month of March and maybe after April, the boxes may go up to $45 a month. So you definitely want to jump on this now while they're $35 a month, because you'll lock yourself into that monthly rate. I did speak to Dan, and I asked him several questions about the company. Like, for example, do people need to be worried about getting the same product twice? How do you keep up with making sure that no one gets the same thing that they've already gotten in a previous month? And he said that they have a very complex algorithm and system so that nobody ends up with the same product that if they've already gotten, you know, say in March, you're not going to get that again later on in December or March of next year. So you also want to jump on this now so that you can get every single item, because once they run out of those items, they're not going to ship those same ones out again. So I am super, super excited to be a part of this and to get to review this box right here, and I hope to work with them in the future. So let's see what's in this box. TesBox. I just think this is the coolest idea that I've seen so far with Tesla products. And it takes all that searching out of it too. You know, if you get something in here, you know that it's a good product, and you don't have to worry about going on Amazon and going to different individually owned shops and things like that and trying to find a good product. If you get it in here, then you already got it. So we have this little card here. They do have Instagram and Twitter. You can follow them on there. I'm so happy. I have been wanting to get a Tesla hat so bad, but I just haven't brought myself to just like spend the $20 on it. I really could have used this a couple days ago when I went to Vegas. It was so sunny in the canyon that I went to, and I needed a hat so bad, but this box actually came while I was gone on my trip. I'm so excited. My first Tesla hat. How do I look? It actually fits really good too. So this is item number 1, which I am super happy about. I will probably be wearing this today. I'll definitely be wearing this every time I wash my car. And let's see. We have a coupon in here for custom aero wheels, 10% off, which I actually just got some of those and they are freaking awesome. So I have that video that you can watch if you want to check those out. This is awesome too, a Tesla pop socket, which is great. I actually need one of these on my phone. I've actually been wanting a Tesla sticker to go on my little hook that I have for my Tesla charging cable on my garage. I can just stick this on there. We have a Tesla face mask, which is also great. I actually was going to buy a Tesla face mask too, but I just never got around to it. And it's cotton, so that's nice. I do wish it had a nose wire. I mean, that would make this mask perfect. But it is actually very comfortable. It looks pretty good. This would fit a man too. It's kind of loose at the bottom, but it doesn't look bad. But I think this would actually fit men with beards as well, because it is a little bit loose down here. So far, I am loving this box, you guys. And for our last item, we have this Tesla backpack. I need this too. This is perfect for summer when I need to throw my kids' sunscreen in there and all those things, and I can sport my Tesla love. I cannot wait for next month. I want to see the rest of the stuff that they put in these boxes. To me, this is so cool, all these things. I am going to use every single one of these things. They all seem like really good quality stuff. They're not cheap and crappy. If you purchase now during March, they will send your box out to you immediately for this first month. And then after that, the boxes will come at the beginning of the month. So I would go ahead and sign up now so that you don't miss any awesome stuff that they have in there, because like I said, once they, ship a box out with things in it, they're not going to ship those out again. So the things for March this year, you're not going to get them again, March next year. I am in love with this new company. They're super nice. They're super awesome, very supportive, and I am really excited to work with them. Let me know what you guys think about these products that are in here. If you think this is an awesome idea or not. I think it's brilliant. The first stuff is really basic intro stuff, but after this, they'll, your second box, and from then on, you'll actually get things that you can use in the car. Like I said, I've seen LED lights, I've seen a sun visor, I've seen wraps for the car, I've seen wheel kits in there. So there is some awesome things. So that's it for this video. Dan, thank you so much for reaching out and giving me the opportunity to work with y'all and review this box. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see what is in the second one. Let me know if you have any questions about TesBox below, and I will answer them as best I can. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys next time.